Hey, welcome back to Messing with Mopars. Just a quick little update here. It's Friday afternoon. We got put the rear mirror seal in yesterday. Sealed off the girdle with some great stuff and the oil pan with some great stuff. And then so I let it sit overnight, and then today I started putting the engine in. So we got her mostly in. The starter's in. The bell housing bolts are on. I gotta do the engine mounts and the flex plate. One problem: I always seem to be cleaning stuff up. Always. So what happened is, we gotta clean that up. I don't want that going anywhere near anything. There we go. So you see that little hole in there? Well, that cooler line goes to that little hole in there. And that little hole in there was one of these. And when I was putting the engine in, I guess I sheared it off right there. Fortunately, I was able to get it out. Thank goodness. Oops, that's my finger. Sorry. So we got it out. So I got to clean that up. I had to go get a couple new fittings for it, and we'll put her back together. So we're going to put that back together, get the flex plate tightened up and the engine mounts tightened up, and then that's pretty much it for underneath. So tomorrow I'll put the carburetor, I'll get everything on the top side ready to go, and we should be firing it up tomorrow afternoon. Knock on wood, we figured out the leak. So I'm going to sign off. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. And I will talk to you tomorrow.